I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fruit salad at home. First, select a colorful assortment of your favorite fresh fruits. Think about combining different textures and flavors for the best experience. Make sure everything is washed and dried properly. You'll also need your basic kitchen tools, like a good knife and a large bowl, to get started. This simple preparation ensures a great foundation for your salad. Now let's get to the fun part, preparing your fruit. Start by peeling and coring any fruits that require it, like a pineapple or an apple. Then, cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1-inch cubes. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures every spoonful is a perfect mix. Remember to add delicate fruits, such as raspberries or blueberries, towards the end to keep them from getting squashed. To elevate your fruit salad, a simple dressing makes all the difference. You can whisk together a light dressing using ingredients like honey, fresh lime juice, and a hint of chopped mint. This adds a wonderful brightness and prevents browning. Gently pour this dressing over your prepared fruit in the large bowl. Then, carefully toss everything together until each piece of fruit is beautifully coated. This step truly brings all the flavors together. Your homemade fruit salad is now ready to be enjoyed. For the freshest taste and best texture, I recommend serving it right away. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay delicious for up to 3 days, making it a perfect healthy snack. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching, and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.